everyone. I'm Dr. Shivalika Khanna, an international weight loss consultant and nutritionist. And I've got a PhD in international healthcare from the University of Thames, Paris, as well as I'm a certified nutritionist from ISIA. अभी recently मुझे रशिया बुलाया गया था for an economic forum of 85 countries where there were participating countries like Egypt, Senegal, Indonesia, and all over the world. And I was the only nutritionist to speak on two stages. So, of course, all the world agendas were discussed in Tatarstan, and the president of the association, Miss Also, she had invited me. So on the opening stage, जो टॉपिक हमने डिस्कस किया था was nutrition as per सुना Muslims कि क्या हमें myths है and of course जो भी myths इस वक्त latest trends in nutrition है I had to give my views as well as their points on it for which they had set up a stage with all the presidents of different countries leaders and on the stage was my moderator was the head of the Kazan press service and also she was the trainer of entrepreneurs and स्टेज के ऊपर उन्होंने एक फैट मॉडल एक लेके आए जिसने बताया कि मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम्स हैं मैं खाती तो बहुत हेल्दी हूँ आई एम ईटिंग सीड्स आई एम ईटिंग एवरीथिंग स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम बट फिर भी आई एम वेरी ओवरवेट लाइक फॉर अ हाइट शी वाज 20 kgs अप सो उनकी प्रॉब्लम सबको डिस्कस हुआ एंड वन फनी थिंग मुझे लगा कि अभी कोई इंग्लिश में बोलेगा बट surprisingly, everything was on Russian. But because when the audience got up और questions मैं बोल रही थी, more and more interaction happened. तो मुझे लगा कुछ तो ठीक हो रहा है. So it was all translated where everybody had their queries that what time we should, what is the right time to have dinner, why should not we have late dinner, and topics like what is the quantity of water and what are the right timings to sleep. आजकल की इतनी issues बच्चों को PCS का हो रहा है. So all these agendas were discussed and the entire talk was given to all the Russian channels. So then, secondly, after that, I was also called to another stage to discuss the lifestyle top diseases and the health issues by the Restaurateurs Association of Kazakhstan, where the participating countries were Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Baku, and many other. And therein also we discussed all the lifestyle issues and I gave all the tips to the audience how in their daily life मतलब easy चीज़ें कैसी हैं you don't have to do very difficult thing अपने lifestyle में कैसे आप amalgamate कर सकते हो जिससे आपकी present हमारी कभी हमने नहीं सुना था कि हमारे ancestors को कभी कैंसर था या PCOS था ये सब generations इस generation में है and the talk was highly appreciated and I was honored and given an award as well as a certificate for holding this presentation. So for this, I was for both the talks, I was awarded as well as certified as the international keynote speaker. जहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे certification दी, I got many gifts as well as many souvenirs of Russia and the leaders also. They all came to congratulate, and you know the entire audience was so happy that the president, Miss Also, she decided to send me to an official visit to the Moscow University of Cooperation. So वो चाह रहे थे कि I should go to the university and guide the youth on the present problems and how they should come out of it. So after this was like an award by them that I was sent to St. Petersburg with a translator and to the Moscow University of Cooperation, wherein it was a great honor to address the youth of the university and discuss their problems because we always feel कि हमारी चीज़ें important है but on the other hand youth is the future of a nation और youth की जो problems है I think उनको certainly हमें address करना चाहिए and for that they had arranged a very high tea and honor for me and the award the biggest award which I got from Kazakhstan was of course the certification and उन्होंने मुझे announce किया goodwill ambassador to the Moscow University of Cooperation and the Punjab universities. Thank you.